Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how can you add the retro burst video effect to your clip in CapCut for mobile. So tap on your project and select your videos or photos you like to edit, and I'm just going to open my project with the video. So you are just going to go to effect, just click on effect button and select video effect and scroll to the right, select retro, scroll down until you find your retro burst. Here's just download it and click on it again to adjust for the option for the speed, filters, and then noise. Just click check marks and can adjust for the duration. This is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.